Hey everyone, it's Jerry, and today we are going to talk about our most popular product by far in our factory, and that is the fully dye-sublimated table cover. Let's talk about some styles. To my left here is our fully dye-sublimated table throw style. With the throw style, you have versatility. For instance, if you have a 6-foot throw and you show up to an event and they give you an 8-foot table, it's going to look just fine. It might be short left and right by a foot, but because the front and back drop to the floor and the table's branded and it looks just fine. Here I'm just trying to show you how creative you can be with fully dye-sublimated table covers. No limit to colors, graphics, anything you want to do here, we can do. What we do different than most people with this product, first of all, we use a 230 grams per square meter true spandex. And then second, we make this really great reinforced pocket that stretches over the table leg, and this guards against any abrasion. So if you drag this on concrete or a sidewalk or something, you don't have to worry about ripping through. These are great for outdoor events. So fitted styles come with or without corner pleats. This is a style that doesn't have a corner pleat. It's like putting a fabric box over the table. For the fitted and the throw style, these are available in 5 different fabrics. Most popular, of course, is our standard polypoplin, and we also have that in an eco polypoplin. They're virtually identical in touch and feel. We do offer the eco poly, which is 100% recycled from post-consumer materials. Then we have the liquid repellent product, which is very popular for beverage sampling. Spill any liquid on it and it beads up. And then the last one we have, our newest member of the family, is the wrinkle-free table cover. All the products are washable and dryable. We manufacture here in the USA. I don't think you find a better value for quality, for price, or for turn time. I appreciate your time today, and I look forward to servicing your brands.